Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic token. Right now, gradually, the supply of Terra Classic has been going down. Remember earlier, Terra Classic supply was about 6.1 trillion coins, and now Terra Classic supply have actually dropped to 5.9 trillion coins. It's good to see that about 200 billion coins has been taken out of Terra Classic, and Terra Classic staking have also hit about 1 trillion coins, and we're happy to see that number increase. And I believe that in the next 12 months, of course, the staking of Terra Classic might be hitting about 2 trillion coins, and then we might be left with about 4.9 trillion coins. By the time you now add the burn of Terra Classic, and I believe that 2023 Terra Classic might end up seeing Terra Classic supply at 3 trillion or 3.8 trillion coins. So you can see that Terra Classic might be deleting between 2.5 to 3 trillion coins within the period of 12 months or 15 months, and I believe that is going to add more impact on Terra Classic. Of course, Binance founder CZ is supporting Terra Classic, and Binance are supporting Terra Classic. So many top crypto investors, crypto buyers, and crypto industries are supporting Terra Classic. We'll be seeing a different level in 2023. Terra Classic will be hitting a very high level in 2023, and the staking is going to increase, and I believe that, of course, the tax bond, 1.2% tax bond, will definitely hit a very high level. You can see that the tax bond is not even really burning much. That is the truth. But so many people believe that the tax bond was going to burn between 10 to 70 billion coins in a single day. I was like, okay, but we can see that number is not even really burning it much. And I believe that 2023, of course, the buying and selling of Terra Classic will definitely increase in 2023, and we're going to see a very high price, a very high burning in 2023. So, well, the truth is, are you ready? Yes. For me, I'll be buying more coins of Terra Classic, because I know that very soon Terra Classic will be hitting a penny, whereas 1 cent. Hitting 1 cent right now at the level Terra Classic, it simply means when you buy, you will be earning about 10,000%. That is 100, it's on 10,000. If you have just $10, you get about $1,000. So a $1,000 return about $100,000. Wow, that is a lot of profit. Okay, that is a lot of gain to me, and I believe, of course, let's keep pushing, let's keep supporting Terra Classic. The community are so much supporting this coin. Kucoin, wow, crypto.com, they are doing their best, and most especially Binance. Binance have been burning billions of Terra Classic coin. Binance have been supporting, especially Binance founder CZ. And I believe that 2023 is going to be a better year for this coin. And let's hope to see Terra Classic at a very high level in 2023. But please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.